pretty pumped to see how much Mike's gotten done. They've been at it for a couple of days now, so hopefully he's done quite a bit. The longer it takes to get this ready, the longer till I get sluicing. So hopefully he's pretty well down to gravel. Jesus Christ, Mike, what's going on? Mike, what just happened? Michael, do you copy Michael? Mike, are you okay?
Yeah, hello?
Thank God you're okay. What in the is going on over there?
Those are just exploded.
Are you serious?
I wish I was joking.
D10's blown. Nothing but smoke in the cut. What do you think it is?
Looks like drive shaft came off. And looking in there, it's completely D10 exploded. By the looks of it, not the engine, but definitely something not nice either. You know how it goes, one step forward, two steps back. And since the cat's down, that means I ain't gonna be much use to you here. So I'm gonna head off. I got other I gotta get doing.
Well, then you're lucky I got your pad set up.
Most indubitably.
Well, I guess it's a good thing I did most of my end of the bargain, because we're gonna be dead here for at least a week with that cat down.
Oh, I know.
I did a bunch of work, my end of the bargain's done. Now I've got a cat dead in the water, dead in the middle of my cut. So who the knows what we're gonna do to fix this problem now. It's not one thing, it's the next, right? So we had a big up in the cut, drive shaft, something broke on the 10, dead in the middle of my cut.
At Paradise Hill, Monica is in trouble. Halfway through prepping her cut for mining, the vital D10 dozer, run by her brother Mike, has broken down. Monica asked her other brother, mechanic Kevin, to try fixing it.
Now the drive shaft between the engine and the hydraulic pumps went kablooey. It's $1 million machine. Nice if it actually ran instead of being a lawn ornament.
What a pain in the ass this is. Where the hell is Mike?
He went back to his cut.
Good, because he's the only one producing gold. So how long do you think this is gonna take to fix, Kevin?
It all depends. It could be a week.
Well, that's awesome.
Anyway, that's a long time, Kevin. Just see what you can do. Get this thing up and running, would you?
Do what I can.
Okay?
Yep.
Back on Mike's Paradise cut, the new monitor system is up and running.
Plant's hungry, and I ain't got enough dirt to feed it. We're close to running out of pay and being forced to shut down here. Just gonna go into the cut and see how it's looking.
The pressure is on Mike to keep the family business running. This is the moment of truth.
That don't look like no black. An actual layer of hay underneath here. So let's see how deep she goes. Oh my God, there's pay here. This might make it a bit easier to keep sluicing. Let's see how deep it goes before I get too excited. Nope. There's a lot of pay here. Found a load more pay here than I was expecting. And it's sitting right on your lap, all ready to go, saying, dig me, Daddy, dig me. Tony Beets, do you copy? Tony Beets, do you copy?
Yeah, Frank, go ahead.
Hey, Dad, I got some good news for you. Can you come over to the plant, please? And I gotta show you something.
What do you got, Mike?
The Yukon's placer gold can be found in the white quartz gravels that lie just above bedrock.
We got it.
Got way more pay than we thought it did.
Without a question, it is pay. But I don't have to pay him to know I did this good, right? Get some trucks in there, get it out of there. Sluice it, get that gold in the box.
You hear that sound? That nice little rock sound that just, it sounds like money to me.
I better get a load of sugar. Maybe that'd be good for me.
You've been eating Skittles all day. What are you talking about?
I only had 6 Skittles today.
At the end of the week, the Beets family gathers for the weigh-in from Mike's Paradise Hill operation.
Howdy.
Hey, guys.
Hey, guys.
That looks pretty good. Since you're the only one washing rocks, I hope you got lots. So how many ounces you figure?
Not enough.
It's never enough.
Especially when you have someone spending that so much.
Hey, you gotta be good at some things, you know? You guys make it, I'll spend it. How did it all go this week?
That dozer break in the cut kind of sucked.
I was a little bit pissed off at that too.
Well, I mean, this happens. Okay, I'm gonna pour this. Do you know how to count?
Sometimes.
Good, get started.
So far this season, they've mined
30,
just
40,
345 ounces.
100. 170, 180, 190, 200. 268.78.
It's worth just over $376,000. In a single week, Mike's increased their season total by 78%.
That's actually really good. I mean, I'm happy if you keep doing that.
If you can keep doing that, there's nothing wrong with it. I'm happy with it.
Well, you could smile a little bit with your eyes.
With my eyes. How do you smile with your eyes? You really did?
Let's go to work.
Get back out there,
I
maybe.
have stuff to do. I need to
Let's
go.
go.
So, oh, you want me to take pictures? Here.
Oh, that was okay, huh?
Yeah, it's if you keep going at 2 ounces an hour, I'd be quite happy actually.
Slow, because we only got the one plan going.
I know, but moving takes time, and it's expensive. Yep.
Perfect. Better get out there. Make sure they keep this going.
Talk to you later, dude.
Yep.